Namaskar. In this video, we will tell you how to give Ryals tube feeding to your patient at home. Maintaining nutritional status of the patient is very important for good and early recovery of the patients. Often the neurosurgical patients are not able to eat food at their own. So, one of the preferred routes of giving feed to them is through nasogastric NG tube or Ryals tube feeding. First of all, we should know what is NG tube. The tube is inserted through the patient's nose into the stomach, through which feed is given. You should be careful about the tube dislodgement complications like aspiration and pneumothorax, etc. All this can be reduced by correct way of feeding. Now, points to remember before RT feed, and contact the doctor or nurse nearby you in all these problems. Don't give feed if you find tube is coiled in patient's oral cavity. Aspirate is brown colored or blood stained or more than 100 ml. Abdomen of patient is distended. You are not able to insert the food in the tube, that is, the tube has been blocked. Patient vomits or feed covers or drool out of his mouth in delirious patients. Check whether the tube is in its place by checking the point at which tube was secured on patient's skin. In all the mentioned situations, consult your nearby doctor or nurse. Articles required for RT feed. These articles should be kept in a clean tray or a clean table or a clean stool near patient's bed. For RT feed, we need measured amount of prescribed feed at room temperature in a clean covered glass, a 50 ml syringe to administer feed, a 10 ml syringe to pull out or aspirate the content, drinking water in a glass at room temperature to flush the tube, a small towel to protect the patient's clothes from soiling, a bowl or katori to collect waste fluid from tube, hand rub or soap in soap dish for hand washing. Steps of the procedure of RT feed. Wash hands thoroughly with soap and water or with hand rub. Explain the patient that you are going to give him or her feed through the tube. Tell the patient that he or she will experience a feeling of fullness after the feeding. Elevate the upper part of patient's body up to 30-45 degree with the help of pillows, or if possible, make him sit with the help of another person. Place a small towel over the chest of the patient to protect his or her clothes from soiling. Pinch the end of the nasogastric tube by bending the tube using thumb and the index finger and remove the cap of the tube. Now insert the nozzle or tip of 10 ml syringe to the open end of the tube. Now aspirate the gastric content once by straightening the bent end. This is done to ensure that the tube is placed correctly. Put the aspirate into a small bowl. Check the amount and color of the aspirate. If content is less than 50 ml, reinsert it to prevent any electrolyte imbalance. If content is 50 to 100 ml, then discard. And if more than 100 ml, then withhold the feed. Remove the plunger or 50 ml syringe and put it at the safe place. Again, pinch the tube so that air should not enter to the tube while removing the 10 ml syringe. Now attach the tip of the barrel of 50 ml syringe to the pinched tube. Keep the barrel of 50 ml syringe at least 12 inches above the patient's head. Now fill the barrel with 30 ml water and release the bend of the tube. It will clear the tube. As the remaining water level in the barrel reaches approximately 5 to 10 ml, start pouring the feed and allow it to flow by gravity. Keep on pouring the required amount of feed in the barrel. Don't allow air to enter inside the tube. If food is going slow, then raise the syringe a bit above. Never push the feed with piston. It may cause injury or pain in the abdomen of the patient. At the end of the feed, flush the tube by pouring 50 ml of water in the barrel. After the tube is cleared, pinch the tube, remove the barrel of the syringe and close the end of the tube by replacing the cap of the tube. Remove the towel from the chest of the patient. Let the patient be in upright position for 30 to 40 minutes at least. Maintain the record of patient's feed type, its amount, aspiration amount, and its color each time in a diary. Wash all reusable articles with detergent and warm water. Replace them after drying. Wash hands properly. Only liquids can be administered with NG tube. Water, milk and supplements may be added. Clear soups, dal or vegetable, egg or chicken soup if non-vegetarian, fresh fruit juices, shakes, curd, lassi, light tea, thin custard.